You see, many people discover their spiritual identity but never learn how to align their lives. And this is a very serious issue. You see, identity without alignment leads to suffering. And that is what we are here discussing today on the topic or title, Motivation is a Lie if your life is not aligned. No matter how much you are motivated, if your life is not aligned, it is all for nothing. You see, there is a whole lot of lies about motivation without alignment today. Motivation is one of the biggest spiritual lies of this generation. A whole lot of people have been so much told to get motivated, but at the end of the day, their life still not speaking the language they want to hear. You have been told, try harder, stay positive, push yourself, try to do everything within your power, and things will change. Let it be known to you that, you see, a whole lot of people have been doing all that, but nothing is changing. But nobody told you where you are to push from. You are told, push yourself. But have you been told where you are to push yourself from? Motivation without alignment is like, pressing the accelerator, while the car is in road gear. You're pressing the accelerator of the car, but the car is in wrong gear. The only outcome of it is this. You see, you will burn your fuel. You will make noise as you press the accelerator, but you will never move forward. You see, this is why motivation works for some people and destroys others. If you're just joining us for the first time on this channel, subscribe to this channel. We're not telling you what to do, but the subscription will help us to continue to, bring forth more informations, that will help you to align properly with your chi and your entities or powers. And if this teaching is interesting and it's resonating with you, press the like button, because pressing the like button will help, this video to be seen by so many other people who need this information. And you will be helping to propagate this wonderful message that is going forward. And also share the video. Share to your groups, to your family, to your loved ones. It will help. And also send in the comment section down below. You see, standing where my chi moves naturally. As you do that, you will be awakening, the energies of alignment and aligning properly with your chi and your entities of powers. You see now, going forward, for those of you who still don't know us, or you're just joining for the first time, is your personal person, SAG Chief Dr. Mwachia Mereze. Okay? Now, be that as it may, we do spiritual works to help you, handle your spiritual issues, and also we do deep consultation, readings. You can send us a message if you need our service, on this WhatsApp handle 09017818674. 09017818674. Now listen. When chi is aligned, even small actions produces results. When your chi, your higher self, your divine spark, your divine destiny order and director is aligned, even your small help, small steps, the little things you do produces great results. We spoke about why effort keeps failing. Find that video here or there, or in the playlist of Who's Watching Alignment System, and watch that video if you have not watched that video. That is episode 1 of Who's Watching Alignment System series that we are talking about. Okay, and this is episode 2. So find that video and watch. It is full of so much information that can help you to continue your journey in alignment. Now, but the truth is this. When your chi is misaligned, even intense motivation creates frustration. No matter how much motivated you are, when your chi is misaligned, it will only end up with frustration, confusion in all that you do. So be that as it may, you need to understand that this is why you feel inspired today and empty tomorrow. You're so much inspired today, but tomorrow your inspirations will become something that drains or something that you're no longer moved to move on. Why you start, this is why you start things so powerfully. You start so powerfully, but cannot sustain it. You start so strongly, you can't even finish. You start something so powerfully. In fact, you are motivated, I'm getting this done. But all of a sudden, all those motivations and all those whole push becomes a thing that you can no longer continue. You see, the reason is this. Alignment gives continuity. But the truth is that motivation gives temporary excitement. But alignment gives continuity. When you are properly aligned with your chi and forces of life, you will continue whatever you start and get them finished or get them through. Uzochi teaches order, not hype. In Uzochi alignment system, we don't hype you. We teach you the order, step by step, that brings you to fulfillment. Restore peace of mind. Increases your joy and enhances your happiness. Declaring freedom all around you. If your life depends on motivation to function, something is wrong. If your life is all about, I need motivation to function, something is wrong with your inner self. Something is wrong with your destiny path. Something is wrong with your compass. Something is wrong with your divine spark, which is your chi. You see, aligned lives move even when emotions fluctuate. It's not that your emotions will stay the same all the time. But even when your emotions, your joy, your peace, your calmness, your confidence, fluctuates, when your life is aligned, definitely you will continue to move forward. You will continue to do something. And that is why you need to understand that if you are only depending on motivation without alignment, the truth is that you won't get hurt. You won't have headway in life. So if you're constantly seeking motivation, the real question is this: why is your chi not flowing naturally? You see, that is the work we are doing here. if this message describes you or talks to you or resonates with you, subscribe if you're a new subscriber. And if you're a returning subscriber, press the like button. If you're a new subscriber, subscribe, like the video. Like this video, share this video. And send in the comment, type in the comment section, standing where my chi flows naturally. Your chi must flow naturally for your peace to remain, for your joy to enhance, and for you to live a fulfilled life. Natural flow of your chi creates every other thing that you ever desires. If your chi is not flowing naturally and you're looking for motivation to be able to do things, you need personal guidance, because alignment is not gauged, it is diagnosed. If you want us to help you in your spiritual journey of alignment with your chi and entities of powers, and also to help you with your spiritual problems, send us a message on this WhatsApp handle 090-178-18674. We will help you. Okay? We will assist you to be in alignment and enjoy natural flow of abundance. Udo dịrị ya dịrị gị mma n'ike, dịrị gị n'oru, dịrị gị n'afọ, dịrị gị na nkwọ. Ahịa n'ụbọchị na we'll be coming to you next with the next video talking about another topic on this same episode of Ozochi Alignment System. Like I say,